Most Lyft drivers make the same mistake when choosing a cash advance app. They focus on getting money fast, but completely ignore repayment rules, hidden fees, and whether the app even works well with gig income. And in 2026, that mistake can cost drivers hundreds over time. In this video, I'll show you the best cash advance apps for Lyft drivers, which apps are easiest for gig workers to qualify for, and the smartest way to use these apps without getting trapped in a cycle of constant borrowing. Let's start with the biggest thing Lyft drivers need to know. Not every cash advance app works well with ride-share income. Conventional lenders often prefer stable salaries from regular jobs. But Lyft earnings can change every week depending on demand, bonuses, weather, and driving hours. That's why apps designed for flexible income usually perform better. One of the top apps for Lyft drivers in 2026 is Empower. Many drivers like it because approval depends more on account activity and recurring deposits than traditional credit checks. So if Alex drives Lyft consistently and gets weekly payouts into the same account, Empower may work well even without a regular paycheck. But here's the problem. Many new users expect large cash advances instantly. That usually does not happen. Most apps start with smaller limits and slowly increase them over time as they learn your income habits and repayment history. Another strong option is Moneylion. It offers potentially larger advance amounts for eligible users and includes banking features that many drivers use daily. For example, Jake drives during airport rush hours every week and receives steady deposits. That consistency may help increase his available advance limit over time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some apps specifically target gig workers and freelancers instead of traditional employees. Apps like Grid and Giggle Finance became popular because they understand inconsistent earnings much better than older banking systems. And for Lyft drivers, that flexibility matters a lot. This is where most people fail. They borrow money for non-essential spending instead of income-related emergencies. If your car needs new tires before a busy weekend, a cash advance might help keep you earning. But using advances for random shopping or entertainment can quickly create repayment stress later. And there's another hidden issue many drivers ignore. Instant transfer fees. Small rush fees may not seem serious at first. But paying extra every week for faster deposits can quietly drain a large chunk of your monthly driving profits. In a minute, I'll show you the safest strategy experienced rideshare drivers use. The smartest approach is treating cash advance apps like emergency backup tools, not monthly income replacements. Use them for gas, maintenance, insurance, or repairs that help you stay on the road and continue earning. So which app is best overall for Lyft drivers in 2026? If you want easier approval with gig income, Empower is one of the strongest options. If you want larger possible advances and extra financial tools, Moneylion stands out. And if your income comes entirely from gig work, gig-focused apps may fit your needs even better. The key is choosing an app that supports your driving business instead of creating more financial pressure. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite cash advance app for rideshare work. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing the best instant cash apps with no hidden fees in 2026.